Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a Cricut Joy card on our Maker. And we're going to go through all the steps. It's super easy, it's not hard at all. So we're going to come over here to Projects, click on all categories, scroll down to Free for Cricut Joy. We're going to scroll down to Sorry, I've Been Crabby. That's the card we're going to make. We'll click on Make It. And then here's our image. We're going to click on the image, and up in the right corner, all we're going to do is flip this image around. Make sure it's lined up. Press Continue. I'm using medium cardstock, and my pen's already loaded and my fine point blade is already loaded. And next we'll be going to the machine. Okay, we're at the machine now, and like I said before, I already have my pen inserted. I have a piece of cardstock on my mat. This is cut at 5.5 by 8.5 inches, scored at 4 1/4 inches, and it's placed on my mat in the corner. You're going to need an 1/8 inch gap from this line to the edge of your cardstock, and an 1/8 inch gap from this line to the edge of your cardstock. I'm just going to show you the measurements. That's what I have, 1/8 inch gap. I also have the insert cut at 4 by 5 1/4 inches. So now we're going to insert the mat into our machine, press the load button, and press the go button. Okay, the card is done, so we're going to unload it. And I'm just going to show you, before I take it off, that it's even all the way around. It looks fantastic. I'm going to take the card off the mat. I'm going to be really careful because this cardstock's not that great and tears pretty easily. So right. Luckily it didn't tear. So now I'm just going to take the pieces out that got stuck. And then we'll slip our insert in. Oh, I left a little crab leg in here. And then we're finished with the card, and then since it's already pre-scored, I'm just going to fold it. And I'm going to use my scraper just to smooth the edge out. And there's the card. So as you can see, that was super simple. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.